Good morning, students. In last class we have discussed about factorization of polynomials. Based on that we solved exercise also. In today's class we are going to see the next concept of polynomials, that is algebraic identities. Say you learned this in your 8th standard. Yes or no? What is an algebraic identity? An algebraic identity is an algebraic equation which is true for all the variables involved in it. Now see, in your 8th standard you have learned these identities. See students, identity 1, x plus y the whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Identity 2, x minus y the whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. Identity 3, x square minus y square is equal to x plus y multiplied by x minus y. Identity 4, okay, x plus a into x plus b is nothing but x square plus a plus b of x plus ab. Okay, so these are the algebraic identity. What is this? It's an algebraic equation, yes or no, which is true for all the values of the variables involved in it. Now see here, these 4 identities you have learnt in 8th standard. In this 9th standard we are going to study few more identity. See here, identity 5, x plus y the whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy in bracket x plus y. Okay, see here, identity 6, x minus y the whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy in bracket x minus y. Identity 7, x plus y plus z the whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz, okay, plus 2zx. Identity 8, it is x cube plus y cube plus z cube plus 3xyz is equal to, what it is, x plus y plus z in bracket x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, these are the algebraic identities. Okay, now based on this we will solve some problems. Say first one, find the following products using appropriate identities. Say first one, x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 3. Second one, x minus 3 x plus 5. Okay, now see solution. So what they are told, find the following products using appropriate identities. By using the suitable identity, we have to find the following products they have told, means the given. By using the suitable identities, we have to find the product. Product means what, student? Product means multiplication. Okay. Now see here x plus 3. This can be written as x plus 3 the whole square. Okay. Now see here. This is x plus 3. We will take it as y. X plus y the whole square. We can use this identity, x plus y the whole square. We can use this identity. Yes or no? To solve this, we will use first one identity. See using the identity x plus y the whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Here x is equal to x, okay, y is equal to 3. Therefore x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 3 is nothing but x plus 3 the whole square. So what is the formula? X square means x square plus 2xy. 2 x is x, y is 3 plus y square, it is 3 the square. X square plus 3 2s are 6x plus 3 3s are 9. Okay, what we got? X square plus 6x plus 9. Okay. In the similar way, we will solve second one now. Second one, see x minus 3 x plus 5. Now which identity we can use here to find the product? Now see can we use the identity number 4? See using the identity x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b of x plus ab. Okay, now see here a is equal to what? 3. A is equal to minus 3. B is equal to what? It is 5. Now see here x here also x is same. Are you comparing x? In this bracket x is common. Here also same. I can tell it's not common, same. Here also x. Here it is the a minus 3 and this is b. So compare with this identity and you have to solve like that. X minus 3 of x plus 5 is equal to x square. Here also x square plus a. What is a? That is minus 3 plus what is b? 5 of x plus what is a? Minus 3. B. What is b? 5. Okay, let's see. X square plus what is minus 3 plus 5? It is plus 2 of x plus minus a minus 3 5s are 15. X square plus 2x minus 15. Okay, now we'll go for the second one. See second one. Evaluate 105 into 106 without multiplying directly. Okay, see a solution. Now see students, 105 into 106, don't multiply. What they told? Evaluate 105 into 106 without multiplying directly. We should not have to multiply this. By using the identities, we have to find the product. Okay, now see. So this 105 can be written as 100 plus 5. This 106 can be written as 100 plus 6. Say using the identity. Which identity, student? X plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b of x plus ab. Okay. Now see here, use this identity here. See here, in place of x 100, in place of x 100, these are seen. Here 5 and 6, a in place of a 5 is there, in place of b 6 is there. Okay, now see here. Therefore, 105 into 106 is equal to 100 plus 5, 100 plus 6. You can now see x, in place of x what we have? 100. 100 square plus a, in place of a what is there? 5. 5 plus 6 of x, that is 100 plus 5 multiplied by 6. It will be what? 100 into 100, it will be 10,000 plus 5 plus 6 is 11 multiplied by 100 plus 5 6 are 30. So what will be the answer? 10,000 plus 1100 plus 30. It will be 1,000 11,030. 11136. Yes or no? 10,000 plus 1,100 and plus 30. It is 11,130. Now we'll go for the next one. Third one, see here. Factorize. First one, 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square. Second one, 25 by 4x square minus y square by 9. See a solution. Factorize. Factorize means what, students? Say writing this in the product of its factors is nothing but a factorization. Okay. Say whatever they have given, we are writing in terms of product of its what? Factors. Now see what is they have given. First one, 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square. Now see student, this can be written as 7a the whole square plus Now see here, this 25b can be written as 5b the whole square. Now what about this middle here? 2 of 7a 5b. Now see student, 7 into 7 is 49. A into a is a square. 7 2s are 14. 14 5s are 70. A into b is ab. 5 5s are 25. B into b is b square. This is same. Now looking at this, which identity we can use here? Identity number 1. Yes or no? Say using identity which is that x square plus 2xy plus y square is what, student? X plus y the whole square. Yes or no? First identity. Okay. Now see here x is what, students? In place of x 7a is there. What about y? In place of y 5b is there. Okay. Therefore 49a square plus 70ab plus 25b square is nothing but what is that? Say compare with this identity. It is nothing but 7a the square plus 2 times of 7a into 5b plus 5b the whole square. So this is nothing but what? X plus y the whole square. That is x is 7a plus 5b the whole square. Say this is nothing but 7a plus 5b, 7a plus 5b. Okay. Now we will go for second one. Solution. Second one, 25 by 4x square minus y square by 9. So this can be written as how? Now see, this can be written as 5 by 2 x the whole square minus y by 3 the whole square. Yes or no? Yes? Okay. Now see, using identity. So which identity? X square minus y square is what, student? X plus y, x minus y. Yes. Therefore 25 by 4x square minus y square by 9 is equal to 5 by 2x the whole square minus y by 3 the whole square. Now see, full this is x square minus y square. What is x square minus y square? X plus y. That is 5 by 2x plus y by 3, 5 by 2x minus y by 3. This is about the third problem. Okay, the same like this problems you are done in your 8th standard. Yes or no? So now we will see the next one, fourth one. Write 3a plus 4b plus 5c the whole square in expanded form. Let's see, solution. 3a plus 4b plus 5c the whole square. They are given. Say using which identity we can solve this? See here carefully. Identity number 7. See here, it is same, no? In place of x, 3a is there. In place of y, 4b is there. In place of z, 5c is there. Yes. So what we can write here? Using identity x plus y plus z the whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, here x is equal to 3a, y is equal to 4b and z is equal to 5c. Say therefore 3a plus 4b plus 5c the whole square is nothing but x square. X means 3a the whole square plus y means 4b the whole square plus z means 5c the whole square plus 2. X means 3a, y means 4b plus 2, y means 4b, z means 5c plus 2, z means 5c, x means 3. Now solve this. 3a multiplied by 2 times 9a square plus 4b multiplied 2 times it is 16b square, 5c multiplied 2 times 25c square plus 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24ab plus 4 2 is 8, 8 5 is 40bc plus 2 5 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 15ac. Okay, this is about the fourth problem. Five is 10, 10 3 is 30. Sorry, it should be 30ac. Okay. Next we go for the fifth problem. Problem number 5. Expand 4a minus 2b minus 3c the whole square. See a solution. 4a minus 2b minus 3c square. So again this is in the form of what? X plus y plus c the whole square. Yes or no? Yes? Now see. Using identity x plus y plus z the whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Yes? See here a is what? Sorry, x is what, student? In place of x 4a is there. In place of y minus 2b is there. In place of z minus 3c. Okay. Therefore 4a minus 2b minus 3c whole square is nothing but x square. X square means 4a the square plus y means minus 2 but the whole square plus z means minus 3c the whole square plus 2. X means 4a, y means minus 2b plus 2, y means minus 2b, z means minus 3c plus 2, z means minus 3c, x means 4a. Okay, now see 4a 2 times it is 16a square. Here it is nothing but minus 2b into minus 2b. It will be 4b square minus 3c into minus 3c, it will be plus 9c square, plus minus is minus, 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16ab, plus minus 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 plus, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12bc, plus minus minus 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 24ac. Okay. Now we see the sixth problem. Factorize 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz. Okay, now see a student. Now see here how this can be written. 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz. Now see here 4x the square, this can be written like this, 2x the whole square, same no, plus y square plus z square. Now see here 2x square. Okay, here see it clearly. This can be written as minus y the whole square. Okay, plus z square minus 2 times of 2x into minus y, okay, plus 2 plus 2 now see students, 2x 2 times means it is nothing but 4x square plus here plus minus y into minus y is y square plus z square plus minus is minus 2 to the 4, okay, 4xy plus minus is minus 2yz plus 2 to the 4xz. Now tell me, I have written this in this form. Now tell me which identity you have to use here. See here, which identity we have to use? We have to use here identity number 7. Say using x plus y plus z the whole square is equal to x square plus, we will write like this, x square plus y square plus 2xy plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx is equal to what? X plus y plus z the whole square. Okay, here x is equal to what? 2x is there. Okay, in place of x 2x is there. In place of y, what is there? Minus y is there. In place of z, z is there. Okay, now see, therefore 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz is equal to, in place of x what is there here? 2x plus, in place of y minus y is there, we will write it as minus 1 plus, in place of z, z is there. this is nothing but 2x minus y plus z, 2x minus y plus z. Okay, this is about your sixth problem. Now we will see the seventh problem. See seventh problem. Write the following cubes in the expanded form. What is the first one? 3a plus 4b the whole cube. Second one, 5p minus 3q the whole cube. Okay. See a solution. So write the following cube in the expanded form. This we have to write in the expanded form. Now see here this full is x, this full is y. X plus y the whole cube. Which identity? Identity number 5. Okay. Now see using identity x plus y the whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy bracket x plus y. Okay. Now see in first problem you see in place of x what is there? 3. Here x is equal to 3a, y is equal to 4b. Okay. 3a plus 4b the whole cube is nothing but x cube. Here x is what? 3. 3a the whole cube plus y cube. In place of y 4b is there. 4b the whole cube plus 3. In place of x 3a is there. In place of y 4b is there. In place of x 3a plus 4b. Now solve this. 3 multiplied by 3 times. Don't do 3 3 is a 9. 3 you have to multiply 3 times. 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27. 27 a cube plus 4 3 times you multiply. 4 4 is a 16. 16 4 is a 64. 64 b cube plus 3 3 is a 9. 9 4 is a 36 ab in bracket 3a plus 4b. Okay. 27 a cube plus 64 b cube plus 36 3 is how much? 108 a square b plus 36 4 is what? 36 4 6 4 is 24, 4 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. It's a 144 a b square. Okay. Now we will see the next one. Now see seventh one, second one we will solve. Solution. See 5p minus 3q the whole cube. Okay. Now see students, this is in the form of see x plus y the whole cube. Okay. X plus, sorry, it is in the form of x minus y the whole cube. Here minus is there. Okay. Okay. So for this, what is the identity? Tells us that x minus y the whole cube is nothing but x cube minus y cube minus 3xy in bracket x minus y. Okay, we will use this identity for second one, that is 5p minus 3q the whole cube. It is nothing but x means 5p. 5p the whole cube minus y means 3q the whole cube minus 3. X means 5p. Okay. Y means 3q in bracket x minus x. What is x here? 5p minus 3q. Okay, now solve this. 5 multiplied 3 times. It now 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125 p cube minus 3q 3 times. It's nothing but 27 q cube minus 5 3 is 15, 15 3 is 45 p cube in bracket 5p minus 3q. Okay, this is nothing but 125 p cube minus 27 q cube minus 45. 45 5 is what, student? 45 5 is 5 is 25, 5 is 20, 20 plus 2 is 225. It is 225 p square cube minus 45 3 is what? Now see, minus minus is plus. Okay, what is 45 3 is 5 3 is 15, 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. It's 135 p q square. Okay, this is about the 7th problem. Now we will see the one more problem. Now we will see 8th one. Eighth one, see, evaluate each of the following using suitable identities. See, first one, 104 raised to 3. Second one, 999 raised to 3. Now see a solution. See, evaluate each of the following using suitable identity. We have to use a suitable identity and we have to find out the value of this. So 104 raised to 3 means, students, you should not have to do 104, you should not have to multiply 104 3 times here. You have used to, you have to use identity. From identity only you have to find out the value of this. Okay, now see here. 104 can be written as how, students? This can be written as 100 plus 4. Is not 100 plus 4 is 104? Yes. See here, this is in the form of what? This is in the form of x plus y the whole cube is equal to what? The formula tells x cube plus y cube plus 3xy in bracket x plus y. Okay. Now see here, 100 plus 4 raised to 3 is what? 100 raised to 3 plus 4 raised to 3 plus 3. X is 100, y is 4, 100 plus 4. You can now solve this. 100 3 times means 100 into 100 into 100. If you do that, what it will come? It is a 10 lakh. Yes or no? Next, 4 3 times. Don't do 4 3s are 12. 4 you multiply 3 times. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Plus 3 4s are 12. 12 1s are 12. Here 100 is there. It's a 1200. 100 plus 4. Now see here. 10 lakh plus 64 plus, multiply this here, 1 2, it will 1,20,000 plus 12 4 is how much? 48. It will be 4,800. Okay, if we add this, what we will get? If we add this, we are going to get the value 1124,864. It is 11,24,864. Okay, in the similar way, now we will solve the second one. Now see here, 999 raised to 3. What is that? This can be written as 1000 minus 1. Yes or no? 1000 minus 1 is 999. Here raised to 3. Now see here. So this is in the form of what? It is in the form of x minus y the whole cube. What is the formula? X cube minus y cube minus 3xy in bracket x minus y. So what is that? 1000 minus 1 raised to 3 is nothing but 1000 raised to 3 minus 1 raised to 3 minus 3. X is nothing but 1000, y is nothing but 1. Here it will be 1000 minus 1. Okay. Now simplify this here. It is okay. Minus 1 minus 3000 minus 1000 minus 1. Simplify this. So multiply 3000 into 1000. Minus minus is plus 3000. If we solve this, what you are getting means you are going to get 997002999. Okay, this is this value we are getting. Okay, so this is about the worked examples of the algebraic identities. Now we are going to solve exercise based on this. Now we solve exercise exercise 4.5. Students, I am going to solve only few problems. The remaining problems you have to try by yourself. These are easy. Okay, so use a suitable identities to find the following products. Now say first one they are given x plus 4, x plus 10. Fourth one y square plus 3 by 2, y square minus 3 by 2. Okay, use the suitable identities to find the following products. See a solution. First one, x plus 4, x plus 10. Tell me students, which identity we have to use here. See here, all identity, just to see which identity we have to use here. Identity number 4. See here, x plus, in place of a 4 is there, in place of b 10 is there. Okay, see here, using identity which is that x plus a multiplied by x plus b is nothing but x square plus a plus b of x plus ab. Okay, here a is what? A is equal to 4, b is equal to 10. Now see here, x plus 4 multiplied by x plus 10 is equal to x square plus, in place of a we take it as 4 plus, in place of b 10, x is x only, plus a is 4, b is 10. Okay, this is nothing but x square plus 4 plus 10 is 14x plus 4 tens are 40. So this is about the first one first. Okay, now we will solve in the similar manner fourth one, and first one and fourth one. Y square plus 3 by 2, y square minus 3 by 2. Now see here student, this is in the form of what? See here also same, only same thing. See here y square, here 3 by 2, here 3 by 2. Only signs are changing. If only signs are changing means definitely it will come identity number 3. Say x plus y into x minus y, it is nothing but x square minus y square. See here, what we can write here? Using identity. Which identity? X plus y multiplied by x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. What is that? Y square plus 3 by 2 multiplied by y square minus 3 by 2 is nothing but y square the square. Okay, here in place of x we have the first term is y square minus, what is y? 3 by 2, 3 by 2 the whole square. It is y raised to 4 minus 9 by 4. Okay, this is the answer. Now we are going to see the second main. Evaluate the following product products without multiplying directly. Now say first one, 103 into 107. See students, without multiplying directly we have to, by using the identity we have to solve now. Just we have solved like that only. See solution, 103 into 107 is nothing but 100 plus 3 multiplied by 100 plus 7. Now see here, this is in the form of what? Which identity we can use here? Tell me. We can use here identity number 4, that is using identity x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b of x plus ab. Okay, here a is equal to 3, b is equal to 7, that is 100 plus 3 multiplied by 100 plus 7 is equal to 100d square plus what is a? A is 3. 3 plus 7, x is 100, okay, plus 3 multiplied by 7. Now see 100 into 100 is what? 10,000. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 into 100 is 1000. 7 3s are 21. So if we add this, what we are getting here? 11021. Okay. The remaining problems you solve by yourself. Now we are going to see the third mean. See third one, you see. Factorize the following using appropriate identities. Now see student, using appropriate identity we have to factorize this. Okay. Now see solution. See 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. So this can be written as here 3x the whole square plus 2 times 3xy plus y the square. Now see student, it is in the form of what? Which identity we can use here? Identity number 1. Yes or no? Using identity which is that x square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to x plus y the whole square. Okay. See here. Therefore 9x square plus 6xy plus y square is equal to, say what is this? X square plus 2xy plus y square, it is nothing but x plus y the whole square. Now what is x? 3x. 3x plus what is y? Y the whole square. So this is nothing but 3x plus y into 3x plus y. Okay. This is about the third mean. Now we will see the fifth mean. So here fourth mean you solve it. I am solving now fifth mean. Fifth mean, factorize. In fifth mean, second one see here 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 square root of 2xy plus 4 square root of 2yz minus 8xz. Now see here solution, they are told to factorize. Now see here, this can be written as 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 square root of 2xy plus 4 square root of 2yz minus 8xz. So this can be written as how? Now see here this can be written as root 2x the whole square. So this term can be written as like this. Okay. Now see here minus 2 root 2 xy is there, here minus 8xz is there, minus came. I am just writing like this. If I write like this, is there any problem here? No. If you simplify again, this only you are getting. Okay. Afterwards plus y square. So this can be written as 2 root 2z the whole square. Okay, minus, now see this can be written as plus 2 in bracket minus 2 square root of 2 x into 1. So this is written as 2 y z. Okay, and this can be written as minus plus 2 y is y plus 2 xz, it's a minus 2 root x 2 root 2 z. Now see student, again you simplify, this is only coming, no? See here, 2 2s are 4, it will be 8z square, plus minus is minus 2 root 2 xy, plus 2 2s are 4, 4 root 2 yz, plus minus minus, yeah, again you simplify this, you can check it, again this only will come. Now tell me, now whatever I written, it is in the form of what now? Whatever I written, it is in the form of what? It is in the form of x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Yes or no? So using identity x plus, or you can write here using identity x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx is equal to what? It is x plus y plus z the whole square. So therefore what we can tell here? Therefore 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 square root of 2 xy plus 4 square root of 2yz minus 8xz is nothing but what? Okay, this can be written as what? Like this, no? X plus y plus z. What is that? Here x means minus 2 x the whole square minus root 2 x plus y means y only. What is z? Z is 2 root 2 z. This term is z. 2 root 2 z square. They are told to factorize, no? Minus square root of 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z multiplied by minus square root of 2 x plus y plus 2 root 2 z. Okay, this is about the fifth mean. Now we will see the next mean. Now see the next one. Verify x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y multiplied by x square minus xy plus y square. We have to verify this. See here, solution. See here, we know that x plus y the whole cube. What is this? X cube plus y cube plus 3xy in bracket x plus y. Now tell me from this, what is x cube plus y cube? X cube plus y cube is nothing but x plus y the whole cube minus 3xy in bracket x plus y. Yes or no? See, x cube plus y cube is nothing but x plus y the whole cube minus 3xy in bracket x plus y. Now what we have to show this right hand side here. Now see what is common here. X plus y is common. Yes, what is remaining here? X plus y the whole square is remaining minus 3xy. Now simplify this. X plus y, okay, this is in the form of x plus y the whole square. What is x plus y the whole square? X square plus y square plus 2xy minus 3xy. So if you simplify this, x plus y, x square plus y square, okay, it is 2xy plus 2xy minus 3xy is minus xy. So this only they are told to prove. No, see x plus y, x square plus y square minus xy. So this completes your exercise and this completes your chapter. The remaining problems you have to try by yourself. Okay. See in next class we are going to see a new chapter called Introduction to Euclid's Geometry. Thank you.